Another very big day for actor Salman Khan as the Bombay High Court is set to hear his regular bail plea today, and the big question on everyone's mind, will it be bail or jail for the superstar? On Wednesday, Salman Khan was found guilty of culpable homicide not amounting to murder in the 2002 hit-and-run case and sentenced to 5 years in jail for mowing down a homeless man sleeping on a pavement with his SUV. But the actor escaped going to jail as the Bombay High Court granted him 2-day interim bail that ends today. More details have now emerged of the judgment that was pronounced in this case. While holding him guilty and sentencing him to 5 years in jail, the judge said, and I quote, Salman Khan did not wait for the police after the accident. He went home and hid himself. He could have visited the cops immediately if he had done no wrong. He did not visit the hospital to meet the injured, nor did he provide any aid to them. If the tire of the car had indeed burst, the vehicle couldn't have gone up 2-3 steps. Driver Ashok Singh is a got-up witness who came to Salman's help on the instruction of his father, Salim Khan. And support from the film fraternity continues to pour in for Salman Khan. A day ahead of the crucial bail hearing, the who's who of Bollywood descended on the actor's residence in Mumbai. Leading the pack were Shah Rukh and Amir Khan. And tracking various aspects of that big story for us are my colleagues Saurabh Gupta and Vikram Thapa, both joining us from Mumbai. Saurabh, let me come to you first. The Bombay High Court will take up Salman Khan's regular bail plea. That's when we'll know whether he's going to get bail or will have to go to jail. But the details of the judgment that have now emerged seem to be pretty scathing, with the judge saying that Salman Khan almost fled the scene, did nothing to help the injured and actually just went home and hid himself.
That's right. The judgment is very clear as to why the conviction has happened, making it very clear that Salman Khan fled from the spot, that Salman Khan did not help the victims, and also made it clear that Ashok Singh, which was the defense's trump card, trump witness, the sole defense witness, was not driving the car. It was not possible, and that he could have been a got-up witness put up at the last minute by none other than Salman Khan's father. Those are details from the judgment which very clearly states why the conviction has taken place. Now, obviously, those arguments in the High Court, which will depend on whether Salman Khan gets bail or not, will focus on the court's order as well. His conviction order is very clear. He's been sentenced to 5 years, and of course Salman Khan on the day of his sentencing did manage to get relief from the Bombay High Court, which gave him bail on the ground that an order copy was not available. That was one of the grounds that he got bail on. But now that there is an order available, that the detailed order is available, Salman Khan's lawyers will obviously try and defend what the judgment has said, and of course appeal has been filed. So obviously these are these are things that will take place in court. Arguments are expected to focus on by the defense. The arguments are expected to focus on Salman's character, good character during the last few years as an under trial, and also the fact that he is doing a lot of charity. All of those things are going to be arguments of the defense. But the prosecution is going to rely on the judgment. And the judgment, like you said, is very scathing about Salman Khan's role in the entire incident, from the time he took to the wheels, to the time the accident took place, to the time one of the victims died. And of course, all of these things will matter prominently on whether the court decides to give Salman Khan bail or not. We're told that senior counsel Amit Desai will be representing Salman Khan. Of course, Salman's defense team is consulting with the former Solicitor General Harish Salve, who also was here on the day that Salman was sentenced by the Sessions Court, and of course did represent him in the Bombay High Court during that bail hearing, where he was granted interim relief for 2 days. Today, of course, that interim relief ends, and once the case comes up, once the arguments are complete, we are expected to know whether Salman Khan gets bail and stays out of jail, or whether his bail is cancelled and he is taken into custody or given time to surrender.
Right, Saurabh, thanks very much for those details. Let me now go across to Vikram Thapa, who joins us from outside Salman Khan's residence in Mumbai. Vikram, we saw all of yesterday a bevy of Bollywood stars descending on Salman Khan. In this moment, they're all solidly standing by him. What is the mood like this morning? We've also seen many fans lining up outside his house.
Well, Neha, first of all, let me tell you that it is getting a little crowded here, and 9:30. It's 9:30 in the morning, and the morning sun in Mumbai does give you more than just vitamin D. It gives you a sunburn as well. But the fans here are not bothered. The numbers is slowly swelling up, but also because there's a chance of Salman Khan today leaving for court. I mean, there's a chance that he could do that, or if he gets bail, he could also sort of mingle with the fans, and the fans know that because they have been tracking the news channels, and that's perhaps the reason why that they are already here. It's only 9:30 and people have already started coming in. Also, there's a lot of police protection. Usually what happens is we are allowed to report from right outside the gate of the Galaxy apartment, but today the media has been asked to go across the road and report from there, because of course, the police protection is really necessary for Salman Khan at this stage. So the police protection has been increased. Having said that, when we talk about the Bollywood fraternity is really rallying behind Salman Khan. There's a reason behind it. Salman Khan has been a mentor for a lot of people. In fact, although we've seen a lot of Bollywood reactions coming in, and Raveena Tandon has been one of those people who have been tweeting and saying things like, we have a couple of tweets from her. And she says in defense of Salman Khan, saying, cannot understand crucifixion by media as much the heart goes out to the victim's family and the tragedy of losing a soul-bred earner. Are people supposed to abandon a friend in his trying times, whom you've known in good times and bad? Then you are no friend. So that's what Raveena Tandon has been tweeting about. She's saying that Salman Khan has been a good friend to a lot of people in the industry, and that is perhaps why the industry is sad that Salman Khan has been sentenced for 5 years.